during the Spanish Civil War to teach the kids about what was happening in the Spanish Civil War. They played a huge game of capture the flag where it was the fascists versus the rebels. Now, you don't want the fascists to win this game, so they picked one bunk against the rest of the entire camp. One bunk was going to be the fascists, and of course, it's Zadie's bunk. So, they, of course, didn't want the fascists to win, but they also didn't want to lose their kids. So, they made this whole plan, and they ended up taking the flag into the lake, which was neutral territory. And my grandfather says he remembers Itchy Goldberg and other directors of the camp standing on the edge, begging them to please just come back, let's finish this game. And they negotiated terms. And the way I remember it, every Friday, they'd have this whole procession that, at the time, Lakeland, which was the adult side, and Kinderland would get together, and everyone would, there'd be this whole procession. And they decided that at this procession, the bunk of fascists would follow along. They were caught, and now they're on this march of shame through camp. And at the end, they realized that they should not be fascists and decide to join the movement. Which is also still happening at camp. These ridiculously cheesy, wonderful plays would happen where everybody's working to make change on their own and it's not working, so they band together and they rise up and beat the oppressor. That was definitely still going on.